to my channel, and today I have a person. Just Clarisse. I'll link her channel below. She's also my roommate and best friend, one of 3. But anyways, for today we're going to collab and do a makeup challenge, and basically I'll just tell you the rules and how we went about it. So we each picked out 5 each other's makeup. So I picked 5 Clarisse's, she picked 5 mine. 6. And then we put them all in a box, and basically we're each gonna pick out 4 items. Also, we didn't see each other's products, obviously. We're each gonna pick out 4 items. We have to use 3. Basically the rules that we did for picking out the items, you have to pick 1 foundation, 1 concealer, and 1 brow product. And then the rest were just freelance, pick whatever you want.
But that doesn't necessarily mean you're going to end up with a foundation and a brow product and a concealer. It just, they're in there. Also, we mixed our products together. So I might end up with some of her stuff.
And I might get some of hers.
Yeah, and clearly it's going to work super well because we're identical twins. Basically. Separated at birth.
Right? But anyways, also, to add to the challenge, I'm only going to give us 10 minutes to do our makeup.
I did not know that.
Also, we have to use each product in 2 different ways. Make it even harder because what's life but a challenge?
So 10 minutes to use 3 products in 2 different ways. So essentially apply 6 things to our face. And tell them what the person wins when they win.
Well, the person who wins gets to wipe off their makeup and do it however they feel like, beautifully. And the other person gets to keep it on. And then we're gonna go to dinner, and I'm gonna vlog it. So you guys get to go see dinner. Here we're gonna jump into picking out the products.
Mystery box.
We did shake it. Don't look inside. No, we're done.
I'll go first. I'm the guest on this channel.
Yes.
Actually, I thought this wasn't gonna be too hard because of the shape of the bottles, but I'm like, wait. Yeah. I'm gonna go with this little guy here. Oh, this is not mine. I've never used this before. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Slim Skinny Mascara.
You use it 2 ways.
Hopefully I don't pick out a brow product.
Okay. I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. I got an eyeshadow. It's mine! Okay. And it's purple, so we're getting some purple. Is it eyeshadow? Oh, it's one of their Super Soft Cheeks and Cheerio by ColourPop.
Oh. Cool. I got my concealer. This is the Rimmel London Wake Me Up Concealer.
Okay, so you got a solid base at least.
Yeah.
Now I got, oh god. I'm so nervous. I don't remember what I put in here.
We have the memories of goldfish. If we were goldfish in the same bowl, we'd be those goldfish that bump into each other and then just keep bumping into each other.
I got a Clarisse product. I got her the Physicians Formula Healthy Lip in red, what? Restorative?
Restorative Effects.
Okay.
I like that lip product. She got one of mine.
I got one of hers. I got her Mineralized Skin Finish and Global Glow. Is it like... Oh, make it work somehow.
Feel them. See if I can guess what it is. Alright, I'm gonna go with this. Oh no. Okay, this is definitely one of hers. This is the Revolution London Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer and Contour Stick. Jesus, in 2 ways. I have no lip products. I have no eyeshadows. I have no blushes. I thought you were the palette
in there the way you asked me about it.
I don't have any.
If you're wondering what's left.
Okay.
Ready?
Marks. Get set.
Go. Okay. I don't like not having a primer.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, maybe a sponge is the wrong way to go for foundation because 15 minutes.
I don't like not having a primer either. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh no, it's looking streaky. I think it's my skin. My skin's been like so weird lately.
Well, I wore makeup already today and I had to wipe it off, so my skin is usually at its worst.
Me too. I just filmed a video. Oh my god.
I'll also link mine and Clarisse's collab below on her channel.
It gets pretty interesting.
To say the least. The sponge isn't even wet. Oh my gosh, I almost went and grabbed like my primer to spray it. And I'm like, wait a minute, you can't do that. It's not plain water.
Oh my god.
Did I get a concealer? No. Okay, you're going over my eyes. I didn't even get a brow product. That's the sad thing. There's one of the mandatory products and I didn't even get one. Did you get one?
No. But I think I can make the mascara work for me. Okay.
Okay, well I'm very unblended.
Okay, I'm just gonna blend with my hand, which essentially means slapping my face.
We're just gonna go over it with a brush.
Okay.
Usually people go over with a sponge to blend it out. Not me.
Don't
I don't
I?
even have like coverage like where I want it either.
Oh no. Okay, I'm just gonna smooth what's left onto my nose and this part of my face where I want.
I need more coverage.
Oh my god. Because if I end up having to wear this to dinner, I ain't looking patchy.
I know, that's my thing too.
Are we gonna be allowed to like put on a primer or like a setting spray or something to melt it into our face?
You can use a setting spray, yeah.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Sorry, I can't look in the camera, guys. I literally have to look in my mirror to like
Use some concealers. Try to save this look.
at least you have concealer to save it. Oh my god, we have to use everything 2 ways. Well, I use my foundation to prime my eyes, so 2.
Can I claim using it to conceal but also brighten?
Oh my god, this looks awful!
Okay, we're gonna just use a concealer brush. If I can find it. Oh, I already pulled it out.
I spent like 30 minutes just on foundation. Okay, mineralized skin.
Oh my god, how much time do you have?
We have 12 minutes left.
Okay.
How do I open this? Is it magnetic? So light and shimmery. What am I gonna use this for? Oh, you know what? I'll just use it as my inner corner. And this is really interesting because like this is the fewest products I've ever used on my face.
I know I'm gonna look like I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I swear I do my makeup more than this and I don't look this bad.
So I'm just using her MAC Mineralized Skin Finish as a highlighter.
I'm just gonna blend with our fingers, blend with the fingers. Like they did in the olden days, in the days of yore.
You gonna put my brow pencil?
What? No, well, no, I couldn't find your brow pomade or whatever. Your brow
What do you mean
gel.
pomade? You had it in there.
No, you said you use the pomade and the thing.
No, I said I used this thing. The brow plumper.
Yeah, but then you said you had another brow product.
Yeah, a pencil.
That's what I couldn't find. A pencil? God damn it! I was looking for a little jar. I thought it was pomade. You had me fooled.
I did it. I didn't say that I used a pomade. I don't know
Y'all. Liar. Okay. We're gonna contour using this Makeup Revolution.
10 minutes. I'm just gonna brush through my brows because for the very least. I wish I got a brow pomade just so
God,
it
that's
could be like.
a dark contour, guys.
Can you see it?
We're contouring. We are doing our best.
So
here.
warm.
Oh no, and I don't have anything to freaking blend it with.
Okay, don't make me laugh. You're throwing me off. Just highlighting my eyes and my brow bone like different than using it to highlight like my face.
Oh no. Oh no. No. Okay, we're definitely going in with hands. God, oh god, oh god. Oh my god.
What did you put on?
The amount I would normally use if I was using a sponge, which I'm not. So it blended out all over my face. We're looking tan today, y'all. I went and bought a self-tanner after I went to the tanning salon. That's the look I'm going for, apparently. All right, so now moving on to lashes.
2 ways. Gosh.
How much time do we have?
We're now at 8 minutes.
Okay.
I don't even know. Oh, okay. I'm using the Super Cheek as eyeshadow and I'm also going to use it as blush. It's barely showing up as per usual.
Honestly, with this challenge, I feel like barely showing up is not a bad thing. Giving my long
I'm
lashes
stressing, but I have to smile so I can put my blush on.
length
Isn't it?
that they already have.
Skin finish, I guess I'm gonna have to use you as a face powder, and it's gonna be terrible because you're not my color. Terrible, but I'm looking a little pasty. Looking a little fresh out the grave.
Oh god.
And then lastly, I have is my lip. How do I
We're using this as a highlighter.
Oh my god, how do I use the lip 2 ways?
I don't know, man. Figure it out. Gonna use this as a
this
very
is so
natural highlight. I want to put it on my lips.
Well, I look super red. Oh my god, I gotta use it somewhere else. Shoot. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hands, and then I'm gonna go in with another flat shader brush and try to get this as loose. I'm gonna pick up. You know, monochromatic looks. I hope you're in, because that's what we're going for today.
I'm using the dark contour as an eye color as well. Okay. Foundation. What's the second way to use foundation?
Okay, I'm gonna put my super shock cheek. What did I do to it? I stabbed it! How do you back together? Over my lips, in the center.
I don't know.
No, I lied. I'm putting it over my lips everywhere.
I don't know. I'm gonna use it maybe as a concealer. Second concealer. Oh! I know. I got too excited. We'll use this as a concealer under the eyes to get rid of dark circles.
This is not a look. It's getting so messy.
I know, me too.
Shoot.
Me too, honey. Me
This is
too.
not. This is the worst lip color ever. No, because I'm mixing it with my eyeshadow, my cheek.
Oh. I was gonna say, that's my lip color. I like it.
Oh my god. I'm wearing a very monochromatic red look.
Okay, done.
You have 2 minutes. You're done?
Yes, I've used everything 2 ways.
So did I, actually. I'm just gonna quickly highlight, and then I can be done too. I'm gonna highlight with the mineral skin finish. Oh my god, or maybe less is more. Maybe
It's a very natural look in a very tanned forehead kind of way. My forehead is so much darker than the rest of my body because that's where most of the mess occurred. Ugh. My brows have never looked more natural though. I think I like the mascara.
Okay,
brows.
I'm done too. So this is the final reveal. Who do you guys think did better?
Did either of us win? I feel like you really went the extra mile with your stuff, but we did manage to both use all of our products.
Since we both didn't win, we both get to wear it out.
That's the sound of death.
I wish I had my other one.
Alrighty, so I guess we're both gonna go out. We're gonna vlog it for you guys.
So you can see our...
Yeah. I have no color. The only thing close to color on my face is...
Why am I setting this? I don't want this to last, but I need this to melt. I look so pale though. You look so dark. You want some spray?
Sure.
Tell me if you want more. Let me out.
Do I look happy?
Okay, so we'll tune back in and we'll see our adventure. So we're currently out for dinner and we're enjoying the look and the drinks. I'm just drinking water because I'm like a boring person. But yeah, we're just gonna enjoy dinner. Enjoy people watching us or looking at us, but honestly this place is like very empty. I don't want to like film other people.
We didn't choose this place because it was empty. We didn't know.
We literally just picked a random place on Google.
Yeah. So.
And we're at Bellini's?
Yeah, Bazzini's.
Bellini's. Oops.
It's really good.
but I'm excited. I got mushrooms and chicken wings. And Clarice, what did you get?
I got butter chicken, but I'm starting with some hummus and pita bread. And I know it's an Italian Greek place, but I've heard good things about the Indian food as well.
Yeah, and we'll check back in with you later. So we just got dinner. Clarice is having her butter chicken. I'm having some stuffed seafood mushrooms and some chicken wings. And Clarice had some hummus and pita. And yeah, we're just eating.
It's so good, you guys.
It's really good. And we're just forgetting about our face because there's literally no one here right now. Everyone left. So we just finished eating. We're full. We have our leftovers. You know, we're gonna head out now.
Thanks for joining us.
Yes, thank you. Bye.
I hope you liked my bronze head.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this. It was honestly a lot of fun.
Thank you so much for having me on your channel. I'm so glad.
Thanks
and
for being here.
Definitely make sure you check out our collab on my channel. We
Yes.
did the BFF tag questions. It was fun.
And challenges.
Yes, and challenges. We did a little twist to it. So if you want to see that, that's going to be linked down below.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to me and to Clarisse's channel.
Oh, and let us know down in the comments below if you like us doing collabs together and if there's anything else you want to see us humiliate ourselves doing.
Also, comment who you think won. But anyways, thanks so much for watching.
Point out I had no color, so.
Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!